Oh, this is going to be exciting. Do I get a whole screen now? Oh, hell yeah. I'm so excited. Hold on. Oh, I think this is because I upgraded. Oh, I'm so excited. Hold on. Hold on. I gotta post this in the other group, but you guys can literally see my whole 34-inch screen now, and I'm so excited. So the reason why you can see it is because and now I can make my charts bigger, is because let me move this down. Is because, good morning. Guys, look, you can see my whole screen. This is so exciting. Before, you guys could only see half. My screen, where's my mouse? You could only see like this half, which sucks. So I had to make everything super small and like smush it together. Now I can have my stuff all over the place, which is awesome. And I can make things bigger, which is also awesome. Alright, so I'm going to play with this. This is because I bought a second monitor and I installed it yesterday after the stream. I got a bunch of things going today, so we'll see. As I say, does it look like it's even moving? Alright. This is super exciting. Hey, Edgar. All right, so I'm getting set up. The market opens in 8 minutes. NQ 5-minute took 2 trades so far. The first was a loser. It was a short, and the second one was a winner on the long, but it didn't get to TP2. I got ES up. I'm going to leave this NQ conservative up, even though it probably won't take another trade unless the markets start dropping at the open. Then NQ and MNQ on the range, those will take place after 10:40. ES starts in a few minutes. I'm not running RTY today. I'm just kind of sick of RTY. I don't even care if it does really well today. I'm just going to be like, I'm kind of just cleaning my hands of it. I'm super excited you guys can see the whole screen. Oh, this makes me so happy. I got to figure out what I'm going to do now. Yeah, I used to do this before when we didn't have to turn off the algo every night. Now and then I stopped doing it, but I'm going to start getting into it again because the only thing that you have to reset is the NQ conservative, and I might just kind of pull away from that if I and like not reset every night, if that makes sense. All right, talking about swing trades, ES is still not out of the zone, but it looks like it is ready to push through. This is the same area from yesterday, essentially 4,700, 36.97. Look to take a long. NQ is already broken out around 8:30. Did a little bit of a pullback, and now it's pushing further. It does have a pivot at 92, so you want to be aware of that. So I have my TD. So now that I have 2 screens, I have my TD off to the left. My TD Ameritrade off on the left screen. I also have this like YouTube thing off to the left screen and my Slack. And then the only thing I have on this screen I'm showing you guys is the algorithm, which is pretty cool. Paul, are you in this? I see you were asking for the link for YouTube. I always post it when I go live. Like, if I give a heads up that I'm going to go live, oh, cool. Then I post the link, obviously, once I go live, because if not, then you guys will be trying to get into, like, a stream that isn't happening. All right. Sometimes Slack will just resend you stuff. Oh, I need to. All right, so nothing much right now besides watching ES break through the 36.97. Again, I would probably wait for it to close over 4,700 before I get in there. Where is my? Let me pull. And sorry about clicking. I'm just messaging a few people. All right, 9:27. If I take any stock trades, I will let you know. Sorry, I just got. Oh, I put lotion. If you send me your email, I can get you more information. Sorry, I was just sending it. I do voice to text so often, but when it doesn't know what I'm saying, it's really frustrating. But I say a lot of the same things now, so it typically knows what I'm saying. The other day, I told somebody if they wanted more information on the algorithm, to send me their email and I'd get them more information. They were like, "Oh no, you want my email? That's like spam. Like you're just spam." And I'm like, "What?" Like, no, I'm just not like. You have to do a lot of things to get set up for the algo, and I'm not gonna send them or retype them to each individual person when someone asks me. So I made an email, and it's so easy to just forward you that email. All right, ES is pushing on the zone. I could also, what I might do as well is put an ES and an NQ swing in here. Hold on 1 second, because obviously it doesn't show much, and you guys probably want something to look at. All right, I'm going to do like a higher time frame, like 30 or 60 minutes. Maybe 30 minutes. All right. So I'm going to draw out the zones here so you can visually see them if you're not in my manual group. So this is the top here. This 46.87. So that's ES. Let's do NQ. NQ was 16.357. 18, of course it was 18, like, oh, There it goes. All right, let's give it a minute. So these are the swing zones, just for reference. ES is up. I'm going to take along in that. I gotta get back to my actual platform over here. There were a lot of earnings last night, like PayPal, and I think there was like some Amazon deal people were talking about, so. Here we go, 4,700, I'm long ES. Let's see, what do we have going on with these? There's a pivot at 7, a level at 15. All right, I'm long in that. Let's see what we got going on here. Oh, good. Google came back from the dead a little bit. Oh, Tesla's green. That's good. Amazon's green. I like it. I like it. Did my orders get canceled? Oh yeah, I'm gonna need to put in new orders for this Google. I always need to do just good till cancel, but what did I trade this at? 31.90, close. 34.90. All right. We'll see about that Google position. Lucid popped up again this morning. There's some big truck rolling through. Let's see about Roblox. Damn, look at that jump up. Oh yeah, my boy had like a, I don't know, a call for 100. That shit is massive. And it's funny because Bo, I don't think Bo's probably not on the stream, but he told me to get into Roblox like, I don't know, 3 weeks ago, and I did, and I made some money and I got out. But damn, it gapped up to 103 from 76, 77. It gapped up to 103. That's freaking huge. I'm going to have to give congratulations to my boy about that. All right. Click, click, click always. No, sorry, I'm just seeing the questions. I always use TD Ameritrade for my charting, but I never use TD Ameritrade, well, hardly ever, for futures trading. I'll do it like if I'm on the go and I really see something that I want to get into, but no, their fees and commissions are super high. I use Trade8 and NinjaTrader for all of my trading. Anyway, I feel like that LL might be Bo. No, he's probably too busy. He's always super busy. You guys are too busy for me. Now Roblox is at 104. 104. My niece plays it, but I don't get it. I'm like, what? What's happening? Lucid's pulling back. So like I said, we might get a short in this NQ setup. We'll have to see. The market's had a push. Well, I still like ES. NQ's having a bit of a pullback. It might pull ES with it. We'll have to see. So this chart over here might take a short. This would need to close at 9:40. So we still have another 5 minutes. It would need to close under that dotted line to take a short. All right. What else was I going to look at? Lucid. I really like the clicky keyboard, but then when I started streaming, everyone in my group is like, Lauren, that's so loud. Sorry. I'm not going to go buy a new keyboard. I think the keyboard that it came with, but it's like red. I'm so anti-red. I used to like red when I was like younger. I was like, oh, I love red and black. It was my school colors and stuff. And then I just got so sick of red. I really want to see a Google breakout. Okay, well, I'm not going to get Robux at this point. Was there something else? ARM, let's look at that. That's down. What's BBIG doing? Oh, and NQ bounced back up. All right. BBIG is just sitting there. So Amazon supposedly is partnering with PayPal to allow for Venmo payments. I don't know, but I'm here for it. I'm here for it. Let's see if it can move higher. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know. So this is what it did yesterday, where my TD Ameritrade just thinks and thinks. I use TD Ameritrade for stocks, but that's like stock. I really don't trade many options, but if I do, obviously that would be done there too. That's another thing I had too, is NVIDIA. NVIDIA's beast. Beast. Let me look at that on the chart. Oh, they had a gap up this morning too. Did they have earnings yesterday? Yes, it's pulling back a little. NQ doesn't know what it wants to do. Let's see. $65.35. What? That? $6.85. So we'll do. There we go. Close one at $7.85. And all right. Oh, now Tesla's red. Well, my covered calls are green. And I'm going to leave those because... Look at NQ pushing here. Actually, I should have gotten an NQ out of the zone. Look at the 360. I might jump in it here. I wouldn't have to switch back and forth between. Oh, ES is pulling back too. All right, I'm going to wait on the NQ. But if I would have gotten it right when it touched the zone at like 60, that would have been a nice play. Remember, there's a pivot at 92, so it really needs to get over that. Oh, NQ's pulling here. Oh, see, now it's conveniently 9:40. Gotta wait another 5 minutes for this one to cross under and close under if it wants to take that trade. I don't know why I have that song stuck in my head. I think it was on TikTok a lot. CL. Let's see. Oh, that was nice. CL had a nice double bottom overnight. Did you see it like 8:57? That's a perfect double bottom. And yes, its breakout was above 82.53. Anything above 82.53, I would have gotten long. But I wasn't watching oils. So, womp womp. Womp womp for me. Markets again. Somebody on Twitter even said that they're like, oh, the markets are probably going to be sideways Monday and Tuesday. And then rip the rest of the week. And that could be true because... Oops. Because Powell was supposed to speak today at 9, but it's already 9:40, so I feel like he should be done, but he could easily still be speaking. If Slack doesn't refresh this, I'm going to throw it against the wall. Oh, shoot. Shoot. I did it again. And you know what I need to do? I need to freaking change all of these to my... Jen, I am the worst. Do you know what I did? Oh, I can't put it over there because I didn't freaking turn these on. Remember I didn't do that a few weeks ago and you were like, don't forget, turn them on. Markets are moving. Okay. I didn't have my stock stuff turned on. They were all just sitting in Sim, and I didn't have my TD Ameritrade account connected, so that wouldn't have helped. All right, ES is now pulling back a bit. What is NQ doing? I'm really excited about this setup that I can have all of my screen showing. Ooh, look at Amazon. Amazon pushing. I like it. I forget what I'd get off at 9,000? Yeah. Yes. Alright, NVIDIA and Google are both red at this point. Generally because these markets are pulling down. ES is about to hit the central pivot. And then we have at 46.91. So I'm going to wait for that. Also have the moving average at 46.91. And the LIS is 46.90. So I'm not bailing just yet. And look at this bounce with NQ. NQ is all over the place. All right, NVIDIA's back to green. Jen, I thought of you last night. I was like, oh, I can't forget, like that one time, and Jen had to remind me. And then I, no joke, forgot. All right, NVIDIA's up 115. 757, what did I say, 785, 770. All right, so 15 more cents, and that will, first one will sell. That's 12%. All right, so one of my NVIDIAs sold. So ES is bouncing here. We'll see if we can get back out. My Google isn't looking too great. I'm going to change my other NVIDIA to like 820, not 885.
Order filled.
That's so delayed. So because my TD Ameritrade is linked with my NinjaTrader, it will say when an order is filled on the TD Ameritrade side, but it was
order filled.
See, it was like 5 minutes ago. Like, come on now. Come on now. All right. Really nothing happening yet. ES is kind of
order canceled.
Becoming a... Let's see, I switched that one. Whoa, we're getting a big drop here. All right. Whoa, look at NQ. What the hell is happening? I'm gonna need to pull up. I was like responding to someone in the group. What the hell is happening? All right, this is yesterday's. I got out of the ES swing. That 46, like 90, 88 area. I don't know what the hell is happening in the NASDAQ right now. Was there a report at 9:45?
Order submitted.
All right, so now I'm in this short. I should put this on. See, but I don't like how long that was. Obviously, it's going to bounce here. Ugh, it's nasty. Look at this perfect touch in ES. Can we just talk about this? That is sick. All right, we'll see if it keeps dropping. If it wants to go further, I might actually move this down. Like if it really just wants to give way. But it's finding a lot of support here. NQ is sitting right on the central pivot, the bottom of the swing zone, which is here at 18. And an LIS from yesterday. So it might, I would like it to obviously drop a bit more so I can take profit on this trade, but it looks like it might bounce here. If not, we could get a significant sell-off. Everything in my, now everything in this portfolio is red. Something must have just happened. The only thing that's not is Amazon. Everything else is red. All right, so we'll see if NQ is going to give way here from this 25 level. That's actually a really good short under 25. Now we got to break 18, 17. That 17, 18, 19 area is always really hard. All right, this NQ trade is working out to be nice. There we go. I'm glad I moved my stop a little. I mean, my shit. Maybe not.
Order
Oh, yeah.
canceled.
Okay, cool. It hit my TP at 0375, but I wanted it at 00. See, it hit it. Just so I could get a little more. So now I'm green on the day in that NQ 5-minute setup. Sorry, I had somebody with a big question, so I'm just trying to help them. This is ridiculous. And yes, and NQ. Should I take this short? Yes, definitely just turn around. 36.85. See, when I answer these questions, people just, and this is why at one point I had to tell people, do not DM me until like 11 a.m. because I'm not someone that can leave something well alone. I'm trying to debate if I should take the short here in ES or not. I don't know, I might just wait. So what ends up happening is that I'm focusing on my conversation with that person, and then I'm missing these swing trades, or trades in general, or analysis, whatever. I'm debating taking this short in ES. I feel like ES is stronger than NQ today because of all of these big companies that are doing good things like PayPal and Amazon. So I feel like it will recover easier than NQ. But it could be wrong. And now, what is happening with my Slack? No, over here. 3683. Alright, so I'm in this short of the ES. We have a pivot at 76. LIS at 71. Oh, this is just nasty. This is just nasty looking. Wait, has it dropped a whole nother 100 points? Oh no, this is 60. I was like, what? But it dropped another 40, 50 points. Oh, the NASDAQ. Jeez Louise. Oh my gosh, look at this candle over here, people. This is nasty. I don't even want to look at. I guess I should have gotten out of my second video when it was really good. Oh, Tesla is down a lot. See, I'm just going to start adding here. I might actually... 1076. Alright, I gotta get serious here because I might want to buy some. Low 1375. Shoot, I gotta keep remembering.
Order filled.
Oh, shoot. I am half retarded. That was really stupid of me. This is why I need to focus, because if I don't focus, I want to buy. I was like, what? How's that so cheap? Buy one of these. What was the lowest today? 500. I said 4. One. No one's selling now. Making a good deal cancel. Excuse me. I should probably not make it such a whole number. Like, let's be honest. Well, now I need to sell another one of these because I freaking sold it for some stupid reason. But I sold it at 14, so if I can get it at like... Oh, now it's bumping up to 20. Alright, cool. I'm back in with that.
Order filled.
Alright, sorry. I just had to get my position back because I definitely want that. I was trying to see if I could buy. 446. What about 450? I'm trying to buy another one of these leaps.
Order canceled.
The lowest it's gone today is 500. We'll see if I get filled or not. Bum, 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 bum. Gosh, this is ridiculous. Ridiculous. Alright, nothing else is happening at all. It's 10 o'clock. Oh wait, so I have to update my ES because that actually did well. Yes, coffee. Oh, RTY had a move. Nice. Yeah, I don't even have RTY up on my charts. But thanks for letting me know, Jen. I definitely appreciate it. Alright, so that ES short worked out. I would really like to get filled in this Tesla. Oh, somebody got filled at 466. Three, 5, 7, 5.
Order filled.
Well, now Tesla one was just at 457. I have an order at 450. Oh, I should change that to like 455. See, because if you do like whole numbers, then a bunch of people are going to be sitting there.
Order canceled.
I could have gotten out of the leaps yesterday and the position today. I wonder if Elon just sold his shares. Do you think that would have dropped the NASDAQ like that? Probably not. Amazon's still holding up well in all of this turmoil. All right. I heard some news that Tesla was also being sought out from, I think, some Canadian company that they want to use their vehicles. So that would be good. I think it's, I don't know if it's like a rental car company or what. $16.9. Well, I sold that one at 14, which was pretty good. Even though I didn't mean to. You can easily scalp those. I just need to get better at it. I wish I would got filled at like 450. It's now back up at 470. Womp 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 womp. Womp womp. See if NVIDIA and Lucid and Google can make a recovery this week. I don't know. It may just be a red week. It's been green for like 75 weeks. So let me jump back over to the other group. So NQ hit that. So I'm green on the day. Nothing else really happening. Womp womp. Pretty boring. What am I gonna do today? It's supposed to be like 70 degrees today. I should go wash my car. I usually get it washed. But you know, there's a lot of satisfaction in washing your own car. Just feel good. I'd rather go to the damn gym. I easily could have gone to the gym yesterday and I didn't. I was like, eh. Womp 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 womp. So I have a different ES up, Jen, if you're probably comparing. And mine can't take that right now because it's probably if I had the 60 off, but I'm fine with it. ES went right back up and touched the pivot at 46.76. Looks like it's kind of going back down again. Lucid's curling back up. And so is Tesla. It bounced off the pivot. Tesla has a pivot here at 11.01. See if you can get back above that. If not, it might make a curl back down. I'm watching this Tesla. It's at 1095. It was at 1098 a second ago. I might short some of this. I don't know if... All right, I took a very small position for a short. Bouncing off of that pretty strong resistance at 1100 with the pivot point there as well.
Order filled.
So this might end up being like an H and just curl around. So we'll see. If I can break this 90, then I think we can see lower. All right, so that's green. Like something basic like that. Now it looks like it's pushing back up, so I might just get on this. And might actually get over the 1100 level here. If not, what I really need to do is just put in a limit order. But see how it catches it? It will catch it. And then kind of like swipe it back up. But I'm still this Tesla short that I'm probably just... Oh, see, now it's pulling back. Tesla has huge spreads, which means like where the bid and the ask are super far apart. I'm putting in a few more of these orders. See, it's like literally up. No joke. I'm putting in a limit to sell down at like 1092 and it's at 1094 and it's filling. That's where my issue is on Tesla, which is why it's super hard to like scalp trade or day trade. The spreads are just huge. My entry is 194. But it's got to break below 190 if it's going to continue going down. If not, then it might push over here like this, over, and I'm going to get out of that. I don't know why I said that. Market. I'm just going to have to cancel this thing and do it. Sometimes it makes no sense. I guess because the computer doesn't really know what you're doing. Oh, well, now it's turning around and going green. Well, I guess that helped me. I said... See how it hit that pivot and rejected. I'm going to just minimize this. ES is crawling back up above the pivot, and Q is trying to get above the pivot now at 57.
Order canceled. Order filled.
All right, so I got out of that for a loss, the short in Tesla, which is fine because then that means those other positions are going higher, which is fine. NVIDIA is now almost out of the red. Lucid is almost out of the red. Google is still pretty red. Google needs to get back to 3,000. Nothing else with the algorithm. I know some people are in that ES short, but that's why I kind of got sick of that ES. $10.30 is approaching, so we'll see what happens there. Damn, I wish I got filled on that Tesla Leap at like 450 or whatever. It's now at 500. I think the lowest fill it had was like 466 or something like that, so it doesn't even matter. Now ES is rejecting a little from this pivot at 46.76. So it could easily move back down here. I just took an extra short from that 74. I wanted 76, but I wasn't set up to take it. We have in LAS at 71, and then back to the low at 67. I don't mind taking profit at 71. Just make a few $100s. There's a NVIDIA event in less than an hour. Somebody on Twitter just said, and I'm in that NVIDIA position, so I should probably be aware of that. Let's see if we stay under 76 or not. I would love to just hit 71. I have my sell, like my exit, at 71 for this ES trade. But it could easily, after 71, it could easily go back to the low of like 67. I have lights coming today. Like I bought this second monitor, and I also bought some like cool lights for my little office space. So those are coming today. And then I have another light coming on Thursday. Damn it. Yes. What are you doing? Damn, I tried to get filled with a second contract at 76, but it didn't fill me. And I was all the way back down to 74. Let's go, yes. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Bring it back down a little bit. Just for a little bit. Just for a little bit. There we go. See if we can get in the 75 area. There we go. I mean the 71. Come on. Come on. There we go. About to hit my TP. Come on. My TP's at 71.25. Come on, back down. And you guys know I'm not like a huge fan of ES, so I should always probably take profit when I have like, 2 points locked up. Rather than being like, oh, give me 3 points. Andy, there is a message that I need to review. What? What were you kind of relaying in this message here? Oh, it was about washing your own car. I switched to the micros. That's a good idea. Yeah, that's a good idea. ES has just been kind of, ES and R2I have just been kind of like a bitch lately. But NQ has still been super on point. I was like, I get to it. What is he talking about? I forgot we were talking about washing cars. I haven't washed, let's just be honest, I haven't washed my own car in several years. But it's going to be 70 degrees. Maybe that could be a fun activity. No? Is everyone saying no on that? It's also Tuesday, where the really good, like, hand touch car wash that the people do for you is discounted on Tuesdays, so I could just drive there. But they're usually packed on Tuesdays because they have a discount. Let's see if I hit my 71.25 yet. There we go. Come on, ES. There's 57 orders sitting there. Come on, ES. Come on. I have to be like in the middle of those orders. 71.25. Oh, this shit is such a like dick tease, I swear to God. 71.25. Sometimes you just have to tell ES what you want her to do because she's a little stubborn something sometimes. Finally, I was filled at 71.25. Oh, she can get on my nerves. That girl. And look at this freaking Tesla. Exactly what I said. It broke 90, now it's at 80. God damn it, Tesla. I was too busy watching ES.
Order filled.
It's like this market order's not even taking place. Alright, I got back in this Tesla short.
Order filled.
Let's see. Lucid and Nvidia are still fine. Amazon's fine. I really need to stop playing around with Tesla because these market orders are horrible. Alright, I'm just going to stop. Let's not even look at Tesla anymore. I'm going to change this chart to Nvidia or Google. Oh, Google's making a nice comeback. Like, not really, but just somewhat. Alright, it's 10:25. I'm probably going to wrap it up here. This was such a boring day. The only thing that traded for me was the NQ 5-minute. That's it. Because all of these... Well, these actually might start taking trades in a bit. Oh, 10:30. Oh, well, it needs a few more. Is this 10:32? Oh, no, that's 9:30. 9:30. It's just because of that big drop, which that's okay with me. 10:30. PayPal, Amazon are both 10:30, so they haven't even really started yet. Alright, we'll see if Nvidia and Lucid can come back. Lucid is actually almost even. I should probably buy another one. I made 40% on these Tesla leaps. can't decide what I think it's gonna do. I feel like it's still gonna pull back to like 900 or 1,000. What was the low today? $10.32. And it went up to what, 1,400? So, okay, people, we've pulled back 400 points in the last few days, I think. I think that's good. 6% today, 5%, and it was even more than 6% today, but 5% yesterday. Say 5% today. All right, I gotta figure out what I'm gonna do with my life. Andy, don't make me come over there to fucking Minnesota or wherever you are and smack you in the face, okay? I couldn't remember the conversation, and it was making me approve your message or, like, deny it. And I was like, what is he talking about? Lucid is now green. That's great. It's a very normal thing to be thinking because I was super confused when I have to approve a message. Andy, why does your little picture say you're typing? Get out of here. Get out of here. Copy, link. Let me send this link to this nice person. Okay, there you go. Now you stopped typing. Gives it some flavor. Yeah, ES is definitely moving sideways here with this bearish flag, so it could probably, it needs to break like that 70-69 area to keep going down. Alright, it's 10:29. I have no trades but the NQ 5-minute. I'm probably gonna, and let's talk about NQ on the range. It's gonna be like here to here. NQ would have to drop below 188 to take a trade. NQ will probably not take a trade today, let's be honest. Which I'm fine with. I like that it kind of regulates itself. So, holidays coming up. I was thinking about a Christmas tree the other day. So we have this week and next week, and then the week after will be the week of Thanksgiving. And then we'll have a few weeks in December before, you know, it slows down for Christmas. Like the week of Christmas is probably going to be slow. So we'll have 3 weeks after Thanksgiving. And then I'll probably still turn the algo on. I probably won't manually trade, but sometimes you get some nice hidden pockets of strength or, you know, on either side. Just because people know that people aren't trading, so it doesn't take that many people to essentially give a little more influence to the market. Alright, ES is now up and over that pivot of 70. It looks like it's getting some strength here going into 10:30, but this is when that market closes, so I'd have to give it a few minutes, see if it turns back around. But it might move back up. We'll have to see. Alright, I'm going to wrap it up for the day. I'm green. I'm going to leave the algo on, so if it takes more trades, I will post that later. Oh my god, that's so funny, Mr. T. I know, I have a buddy that does that. All you have to do is join the stream and then you'll be fine. Just trade futures. But also, in fairness, the market did kind of just it looked like it was going to be a green day, and then it just all of a sudden imploded. So, all right. I hope you guys have a good day. I'll be on tomorrow at 9:15. So this is going to start to become a regular thing, especially now that I have 2 screens and I can show you guys this one. So 9:15 tomorrow on Wednesday. And I'll typically do like 9:15 to 10:30. And if you guys ever have questions, you can always email me or reach out or whatever. And I'll talk to you later. Okay. Bye.